Hello food lovers, today I am sharing a delicious, healthy and protein-packed breakfast recipe. Veggie egg wraps with cheese and meat sausage slice. These wraps are perfect for busy mornings, perfect for a quick grab and go meal prep or a quick and nutritious snack. Stick around to see how this easy and yummy recipe comes out together. I cracked 6 eggs into a mixing bowl. Eggs are an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, making this dish not only tasty but also nutritious. I added a teaspoon of curry powder for a warm, aromatic flavor, a pinch of thyme for that earthy taste, a dash of salt, a bit of ground dry pepper for some heat, some sliced onion, and finally half a cup of liquid milk to make our eggs extra creamy and fluffy. This is me mixing everything together until well combined. I whisked everything together until they are properly combined. Now, let's add some color and crunch. In a separate bowl, I have some shredded cabbage. To that, I am adding grated carrots, sliced green bell pepper. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to this channel if you are getting value. Time to add the freshly grated cheese. The cheese melts beautifully and gives our wraps a rich, gooey texture. Now, let's bring everything together. We'll now pour the seasoned egg mixture into the bowl with the veggies. As you can see me doing that. After pouring it, we'll now give it a good mix. We'll mix it properly in order to ensure every bite is packed with flavor and nutrition. We'll give it a good mix. As you can see me doing that. Give it a good mix. My green, I'm not noticing the green. That is the green bell pepper. I'm not noticing it very well. I have to add more of it. Just added a little bit of green bell pepper for some extra crunch. And I will now finish it off with some fresh sliced tomato and give it a good mix. I'll mix it to combine. Now it is time to cook. The next step is to heat a pan over a medium heat and add a bit of vegetable oil. Once the oil is warm, pour in our egg and veggie mixture. We'll pour it and stir fry gently. I'll spread it out this way and allow the under to cook a bit. I'll spread it out this way so that it will start cooking under. Start spreading it out like this. You now stir fry. You start the stir frying. You stir fry it. Start turning it over so that the upper parts and every other uncooked parts will also cook. You stir fry it, making sure every Everything cooks evenly. You'll start to see the eggs firm up while the veggies stay fresh and crunchy. This step is key to locking in all that delicious flavor. Look at that, it's coming out well. Do you know that this recipe tastes better than meat and even more healthier? Our egg mixture is fully cooked. I am adding some delicious meat sausage slice for that irresistible taste. Trust me, the combination of eggs, veggies, cheese, and meat sausage slice, or even bacon if you wish, is a game changer. Just give it a try. You believe me that this tastes better than meat and even more healthier than red meat. Now, let's assemble our wraps. I am using soft and fresh shawarma wraps for this. Simply place one wrap on a flat surface. Add a generous portion of the egg and veggie mixture, then fold it tightly, as you can see me doing. Fold it tightly to keep everything inside. Fold it tightly. That's it. Repeat the process until all the mixture is wrapped up. This is it. For the final step, heat a dry pan over low heat. Place the wraps in, turning both sides to warm them up and get a slight crisp on the outside. I'm turning them now. This makes the wraps even more flavorful and keeps them from falling apart when you bite in. Then the final shots of cutting the wraps open and serving. And just like that, our delicious veggie egg wraps are ready to be served. Just look at that perfect blend of veggies, eggs, cheese, and meat sausage slice, all wrapped up and packed with flavor. These wraps are perfect for breakfast, brunch, or even a quick grab and go meal. If you love easy, delicious, and healthy recipes like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new video. Also, drop a comment below and let me know what's your favorite breakfast dish. Until next time, happy cooking and enjoy your meal.